like to once again particularly thank our brotherly countries in the Gulf countries like Saudi Arabia, UAE, Qatar, Kuwait, our brotherly country, neighborly country, Iran, our brotherly country, Turkey, our friendly country, China, and other countries. Please don't mind. I would like to extend my apologies if I don't mention other countries like Britain and other countries. But above all, I would like to mention and thank President Trump for his very brave leadership and his vision that peace must be restored in South Asia sooner rather than later. And as a result, his path-breaking and strategic leadership, I think, did the trick and averted a very lethal looming war in this part of the world